I have made it. What time is it? 9:16 p.m. Friday, August 4th. And this is the first Tuktoyaktuk sign that I see. I'm like 3 miles away from the actual city, but this is about those pingos, which is the little hill back there. I don't exactly remember what this is, but I think it's I think they're like, it's frozen underneath the surface or something like that. I don't know. You guys can look it up. A pingo, Pingo. Anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures, take the drone up for a flight here, and then keep going. Look at my car changed color on the sides, and the wheels got extra thicker. They got thicker. Same thing in the back. Got a little color change. And over here. Anyway, that's it for now. So that is a pingo. Pingo. Tuktoyaktuk is famous for those. I think they have the second largest one in the world. It's probably that one, because I don't see any other ones around here. I hear these weird birds somewhere. That's not a bird. Maybe not a bird, maybe it's something else. Maybe it's inside those cages that keep me something. Well, Tuktoyaktuk is up there, but I'm in the outskirts. Okay. I hear chickens. There's chickens somewhere. Not too far. What does that say? Pingo. I'm gonna keep going because I don't know. I got enough. Oh, I gotta make a video. I gotta need a drone video. This is at the Pingo. What do they call this? Pingo Canadian landmark, but this is like a day use area where people can have picnics and stuff. There's my dirty car again. Something's beeping. Open Thursday to Monday. Twelve to 7 p.m. Summer hours. Well, it's already 9:41 p.m. So anyway, let's keep going. Well, let me see what a pingo is, because I don't remember exactly what a pingo is. Well, this is not going to tell me what a pingo is, but maybe, well, I'm not reading that right now. Day use area, that's what it is. Anyway, let's go.
I got in trouble at work because like during the middle of the workday I left, went down to Highway 401 from Ontario when all the trucks were driving by.
Okay, what is
I had
that?
to hung out and watch everyone drive by. They're like, I'm gonna fire you for supporting the convoy. I'm like, how? Like it's fucking Sunday. I can't stand on the side of the overpass and just fucking watch like a political like fucking drive by. And like, well, yeah, maybe you are allowed, but I'm like, yeah, get out of here.
What the fuck?
He has to be. Yeah.
All right, in a few minutes, it's going to be sunset.
He has to be. I want him.
At 12.
Him.
12:55, you said, right?
12:55, yes, sir.
Yeah. So it's
So, why are you French?
like 13
Why
minutes
am I
more.
French? I'm not very French.
Yo, you can speak French.
I can speak French.
Yeah.
But I just learned French like on the internet.
Okay,
I'm
speak.
beating a fucking beaver.
Yeah, you can speak now.
Oh fuck. Okay, so you want to fucking imagine?
I'll take this.
Hey? What? So there's belugas over there.
There is?
There's beluga, right?
Okay.
You believe so?
Kind of knock that out a little bit.
Hey?
I believe you, yeah.
Oh. Did you see anything?
No. I see a sunset.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Right?
It's coming down.
That's all I see. Beautiful sunset.
Oh, there's a layer of clouds behind the sun. That's why you're not gonna see the sunset.
Oh, that's where the belugas are.
Your mother's
Right there?
At the end?
Caddick.
We're looking to the end of fucking
You're not gonna see the sun go down because there's a cloud layer right below the sun.
Yeah.
It's like it's your kids'
That's great.
their parents,
There's nothing there.
Yeah,
I
30,
wish I came like
Got a mustache.
33.
like June or July when the days were even longer, but I was thinking like
That's
I
where
can't get the
learned
time
a
off
lot of
work
the-
then. It's still worth it. Also like
I
Nothing
learned
there.
a lot of the words.
Look, you see it?
I know, yeah,
Go on.
even better right behind your trailer.
Yeah, certain words I don't know a whole lot of, but I know
something
when they're
there.
Up
called.
on this snow,
So you got anything else to say to the beaver?
Yeah. Oh, there's a few.
Nick?
No, right here. This beaver.
Oh fuck. We had the fucking Arctic Ocean, man. So like, whatever the fuck you want to see, well, like, there you go, man.
Okay.
That's the fucking beaver down the fucking road.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you want to see the beaver? Here, there he is. Look,
Well, that's
see,
walking.
see where he's pissing.
I know.
He's pissing.
Hey, whose trailer is that?
That's my
Whose
trailer.
camper? Oh,
That's my
you
trailer.
let him do that?
Yeah. It's duct tape.
Duct tape.
Okay, woke up about an hour ago. After doing some drinking last night with the people that are around me here. And it's a shitty looking day. It says it's gonna be 70 degrees at 9 p.m. later, according to the Apple weather. So I'm gonna take the time now and copy dashcam files from yesterday. From yesterday's off-road driving. And I don't know if you could see, but way down there's people fishing already. Well, that's what they do here. Anyway, it's a pretty shitty looking day so far. It's 55 degrees right now. So anyway, I'm gonna make myself coffee. And one of the guys that I met last night, he's going to Alaska too. So we're gonna be hanging together for that part of the trip. So anyway, I'll make another video later. Okay, last video with the sign before I leave to go for a swim. That's what the area looks like right here. Anyway. I'm gonna let my